Today, I'm breaking down the most reliable and high-value GrabPay Cashback Stack you can use right now to maximize every dollar you spend. No gimmicks, no confusing hacks, just a practical, repeatable method that consistently returns strong cashback across daily transactions. Start by ensuring your GrabPay wallet is fully verified so you can unlock all available payment features. Once that's set, the foundation of this stack begins with funding your GrabPay wallet using a rewards-friendly credit card. Choose a card that still earns cashback or points on wallet top-ups, because that first step determines how much extra value you gain before you even start spending. With the right card, this alone sets up an additional 2 to 5% return. Next, use your GrabPay balance to pay through the GrabPay card wherever it's accepted, especially on online platforms and physical merchants that award their own cashback. This double layer works because you earn rewards from the funding card and you also get Grab Rewards points for each transaction made through GrabPay. These points convert into discount vouchers, transport coupons, or food delivery deals, which extends your total value per dollar. To push the stack further, focus spending on categories with built-in merchant cashback. E-commerce platforms, subscription services, and routine daily purchases, like groceries and pharmacies, often run seasonal or monthly cashback promos. Paying with GrabPay during these promo windows adds a third layer of savings. Finally, consolidate all accumulated Grab Rewards points at the right time. Redeem them only during boosted conversion periods or partner promotions to maximize their worth, allowing every transaction to stretch further without changing your spending habits. This stack works because each layer compounds: credit card rewards, GrabPay points, and merchant cashback. Used together, they deliver one of the most efficient ways to optimize your daily spending with GrabPay.